Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to create a Notepad document using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. To create a file on the desktop, first we need to move inside the desktop folder. So type cd desktop. Now you are inside the desktop folder. To create a new Notepad document, type Notepad notes.txt. A Notepad window will appear with a prompt asking if you want to create a new file. Click Yes. Type the text you want to save in the Notepad. Then press Ctrl S on your keyboard to save the file. That's it. A Notepad document called notes.txt is now saved on your desktop. This is how you can create a Notepad document using command prompt. Thank you for watching.